What's going on? James here. In this video, we're going to talk all about the lawn care industry. Again, a great industry to get involved in when it comes to adding clients to your client list, because personally, there's so many of them out there that they're easy to actually find and they're easy to kind of market to as well. So in this video, we will talk about the traffic, where to run it, what to say on it, what the funnel looks like, and I'll even show you a Facebook ad that we've run in the past that worked really, really well. And then if you're confused on where you can get this snapshot, just look in the description down below or go to www.highlevelrewards.com for anybody that is looking to get, let's say, a GoHighLevel trial or want to upgrade with GoHighLevel. They can go there. And then I give you guys, one of the bonuses will be all of these done for you niches that I've been going through for the last couple of weeks, and I'll be going through probably for the next week or so. All right. So hopefully today, probably half of you are feeling happy and half of you don't know what to do with themselves. Such is life. The beautiful thing is, when we live in a great country, at least in the US, because that's the only country I've ever experienced, you get a redo every 4 years. So if you're happy with the result, congratulations. If you're sad with the result, thick skin, move on and make the best out of it. Like I've always said, government most likely is not going to make or break you, not in this country. I have never really talked about my side of things, but most people could probably understand. I'm a capitalist. I like safety. I like world order. I don't like wars. And I think my voice, as well as many others, has been heard. But either way, in my family, I got both sides. So I get to I get to be very, very political about where I stand on politics. Cool. So anyway, so if we look on my screen right here, 2023, market size and growth, $176 billion, big industry. They grow about 8.2% a year, 221.9 billion by 2029. Again, more houses, more lawns. You get the picture of why that would happen. Okay, as of 2023, 1.3 million people are employed by in the landscaping industry. 641,000 landscaping and lawn maintenance businesses. On average, each household spends about $503 annually. I spend a hell of a lot more than that. Nearly 80% of landscaping companies offer general landscape maintenance, and 71% provide design and construction services. So again, it's not just cutting a lawn, okay? But that's what we'll talk about today. But then what comes after that? What other things? Like, for example, your landscaper could also do hardscaping, right? I think I've showed you guys in the past, I'll put it up here, where I did something about hardscaping. I built the website, I ran traffic, I did their GMB, built their website actually in GoHighLevel. And so the top states for landscaping: Florida, California, New York, because it's the highest concentration of probably population. All right. Let's just jump down here. Average to install sprinklers, you have about 4,000. Sodding, about 1,000. That seems low to me, but I guess it depends on, I have a lot of land, so I guess it would depend on that. Seeding, maintenance, again, there's the average cost, okay? Let's go. If you're going to run this on pay-per-click, this video is not going to be about pay-per-click, but these would be the keywords, because you could also do this on Google. Obviously, somebody's looking for a landscaper near them, okay? But one of the plays that I would do with a landscaper would be ranking their Google business profile, and they're just going to get a boatload of calls with that. Matter of fact, actually, I just thought about this. I own a 6-unit property a couple towns over, and this was like 2 years ago. I was looking for a landscaper, and I went on their Google business profile, called, they didn't answer, and I got an automatic text back. And then when I went to their site and I saw their form, I knew they were using GoHighLevel, which I thought was pretty cool. It was like just a random guy. He's actually does it himself. His wife does it for him, which was cool. Otherwise, I would have landed him as a client. So that's kind of the industry and everything about that. Let's jump into traffic slides. Okay? No, not that one. Let's take a look at the traffic slides. We're going to do this one on Facebook ads. All right. 25% off first service and free lawn analysis. That is our offer. Again, when you're running it on Facebook, you need to have an offer. We want form submits Or if you don't want to do this with a website where they would go to a landing page like the one I'm about to show you, you can do Facebook lead form. Very easy, connects right into GoHighLevel, leads come in, and you set up the backend like that. Average cost per lead about $12. 20 to 30% conversion rate. Again, if you implement the follow-up system, which I'm assuming you would because you would be using GoHighLevel, you're going to get up to a much higher conversion rate. And when I say conversions, I don't mean conversions in the sense of they're going to become a client. The conversion on this, from what I remember when we originally set this up, the analysis of this, we considered a conversion when we spoke to them, okay? When we spoke to the phone on them, not all of them. So if you want to think about what the average conversion rate, 20 to 30% conversion into a paying client, okay? Or finding a paying client. All right. Ad set, again, you can name it. We have gone through kind of these things. You're just going to do desktop and mobile, Facebook feed only, $10 a day, local area, male, female, 25 plus. Again, you could go 30 if you want. Make sure they own a home. Detailed targeting, you can leave it blank. You could also run a test against homeowner. Optimization for ad delivery, default and automatic bid amount. You can just connect the client's business page or make them one. Get an image, landing page URL, this display, you can leave blank or put one in there. And then we'll take a look at the ads, okay? So here is one we ran for this client. Click the link to 25% off your first service and a free lawn analysis today. Company name, offer customized weed control, pest control, yada, yada, yada. Again, Oklahoma's #1 lawn care company. I would start this. Okay, I've learned more. I should say we've learned better ways to run this by just throwing in attention. Again, I like to use county because I don't want to pigeonhole myself. Attention, Passaic County homeowners. Click the link to get this, and this. Only giving away 10 of these. So act now, right? Put a little bit of, get them to move, get people to actually move, and then you click get a quote. All right, and then we can just jump over to the site. All right, we have the OG. We talk about this every single week. Here's the lawn care. All right. Again, you have to edit these. These are, we keep these as just the snapshot, right? We removed, like, you know, we put company name instead of that, and then when we move the things over, I just don't like the way they look. Again, I will edit it. All right. They can request an estimate and then show some pictures of the lawns or something. You know, again, from your client, you get all this stuff. You just throw it in here. You could do keep this stuff on here, so on and so forth. Get 25% off. You put your big, bold offer there. I would put it up here too. And then who are you serving? And then get that tracking number from GoHighLevel, okay? Thank you page would be this. All right. Thanks, almost done. Key benefits, claim it. And so how do they claim this? Okay. So what we want to do is we would want to have a big phone number on here, okay, that says, thanks, almost done. Let's edit that one really quick. See, this is what I like about doing these things is I get to make things better. Unless I chose the wrong one. All right, thanks, contact name. To claim your 25% off, please call our phone number. Okay, and then it would be that Twilio phone number. Now, if I look at the OG, if I look at the OG, it's going to already be there because the OG, when we redesigned these, for some reason, they didn't like make it exactly the way this was. Okay, so our OG funnel, again, I like this better. And so this is what all of our students use. I redesigned all these just for the heck of it. But this, to me, you might think it's ugly. This works better. They're going to fill this form out or survey. I think it's actually a survey. They go to the next page, and it just says who we are. Here's a quick things. Claim your offer. Get 25% off your first lawn service. Only 11 remaining. And then they go to I would use the OG one. And then we just tell them, like, simple. You can put the grass in the background. Thanks, almost done. Call us now to activate your offer. Put your phone number there. Offer will no longer be available after all spots are gone, right? So we're getting them to act. Very simple, okay? Our OG funnels are very simple, and it's probably why we spend on all 32 of these niches over $7.5–8 million across Facebook and pay-per-click advertising for all of these clients, right? Some of them we still have, some of them we don't. We started this business in 2014. So again, you know, things change. Clients come and go sometimes. But I'm in love with our OG funnels. We sometimes get people like, oh, it's an ugly funnel. I'm like, dude, it doesn't matter. Simple wins. Offer. Full service customized lawn care. 25% off your first lawn service. Free lawn analysis. Okay? The offer matters. They not only does the offer matter, but also what matters is they know exactly what to do. Fill this out. Next page. We'll call you. Done. Easy. Finished. Then you got your automations. All right. Simple automations, guys. Like, you know, hey, you just filled out the form to claim your offer. Call me. Right. The next step to get you scheduled. Here's my booking link. Right. Or here's my phone number. Here's my phone number. Text me. Then in the text, then what do we have in GoHighLevel? We have conversations. Then you can see, you know, preferably if you're doing it for a client, you would want to make sure that you have an automation that notifies your client and you that you have a lead. All right. Very simple to set up. And so that would be the lawn care. And if you want to get the snapshot, which includes everything I just showed you with the automations and the two choices of websites, then simply comment down below and I'll send you the link, or go to highlevelrewards.com, opt in, and learn how you can get not only the 14 done for you funnels with their automations and all of the other bonuses that I give away to people just for joining GoHighLevel for 30 days for free. Then that page will explain everything. And yes, I get this question all the time. James, can I upgrade under you and get all of these other bonuses will also be explained on that page? The answer is yes, of course you can. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.